Okay, welcome back to 640 AM The Mix, and in today's video, it's another edition in the travel and leisure section here on the channel, and we're doing a little bit of plane spotting in Europe, Dublin International Airport, and that's coming up next. All right, welcome back to 640 AM The Mix, and like I said, we're in Dublin, Ireland. Dublin International Airport. We're going to do a little bit of plane spotting, terminal watching, taxiing, takeoffs, all of that plane spotting that you're used to, accustomed to seeing here on 640 AM The Mix. I'm going to try and inject some tower audio if possible. That's us at Dublin International Airport, Terminal 1, if you're familiar with Dublin. I'm going to see if I can inject some tower audio if possible. I'm not sure. I have the Hanrongdai HRD 737. Going to try and see if I can pick up. If not, you're just going to hear the ambient sound of Dublin, Ireland. Enjoy, everyone. A little bit of plane spotting, terminal watching in Dublin City. Enjoy.
You know, I like Christmas cookies. That's as far as I go.
I prefer Christmas ham.
Oh, really? Zoe has that.
That's a Dublin approach. Okay, this is a great view of Dublin approach. Aerlingus landing at Dublin International. Okay, here we are at the main entrance, Terminal 2 of Dublin International. That's what it looks like when you walk in the front door.
Excellent to Atlanta. We are now ready to begin our boarding process. We ask you please remain seated and
Delta Airlines at the gate, Aerlingus parked right behind. Nice combo.
As a courtesy to others traveling and to get the most items on board, please place only your larger carry-on in the overhead bin with smaller items placed below the seat in front of you. We now invite our customers who need assistance or additional time to pre-board at this time.
46, traveling on Aerlingus flight EI 105 to JFK. Please proceed to the general boarding lane at gate 410. Please have your passports open on the picture. Please on board. Thank you.
We now welcome our active duty U.S. military review ID to board and thank you for your service.
Okay, Dublin takeoff there in the distance, if you can zoom in on that. KLM International Airways there, taxiing behind the gate equipment there.
We now welcome Zone 1 to board through the Delta 1 lane. Please have your passport open on the picture page and your boarding card ready for inspection. The Sky Priority lane. Please have your passport open on the picture page and your boarding card ready for inspection.
American Airlines hooked up to the Aerlingus jetway.
Group 5 cabin. 21 is now welcome to board to the lane at the gate 426. If you're on JetBlue flight forward service to JFK, you're at gate 405, and thank you for choosing us at this time.
Okay, we're out on the move. British Airways in the background there. Dublin International is a large airport and truly an international destination. As we go past, you got Ryanair, Lufthansa, British Airways, all parked next to each other, gate to gate. Swissport, as we round the bend, bus transportation readily available. There's Ryanair, lined up one after another. Got a departure there on the background, on the backdrop. Okay, there you have it. Some plane spotting, some terminal watching, taxiing, landing, takeoffs from Dublin International Airport, Dublin, Ireland. Truly an international destination. You could hear it in the voices in the background. Truly an international spot. Beautiful city, beautiful airport. It was a pleasure to do a little bit of plane spotting and terminal watching from DUB, Dublin International. And that's another edition in the travel and leisure section here on the channel. Check out our other content on the section, the travel and leisure section, and check out all the other topics that we cover here on 640 AM The Mix. We do cover a lot, so check out all all the channels there. Comment below, like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next video. 640 AM The Mix, New York's only home for house and techno and so much more. Check us out. This time it was travel and leisure from Dublin City. I hope you enjoyed. Catch you on the next video, everyone.